get this party started. 7-8.
I'm taller than you. I need to come down a little bit. I'm never taller than anybody. I just had an air horn by accident.
Be careful with irons, they're hot.
The idea, backs up.
We're gonna back that up. We're gonna back that up. Stephanie, I'm going to use your mug. I hope that's okay.
Adam, please don't yell.
Courtney, I'm gonna make your job a little bit harder. Sorry, I'm a hot mess, Courtney. Hold that thought.
All right, so I'm getting started again sewing. Oops, I'm not getting started because my thread came out.
There we go. Now we're talking.
And I broke some thread.
Tricky part is not to get poked with all your pins.
And I've been stitching without thread for a minute.
I think Dr. Sampson, one of my professors, would be very displeased with me right now.
Apparently last night I sewed and so there were about 3 revolutions left and I got a white bobbin. Not my day.
Hold on. Already? Okay. Ouch! Hang on, give me a minute. Just doop-a-doop. Let me start that over. One for the blooper reel.
Is that right? That's wrong.
It should not be this different.
Yeah, that's wrong a second time.
This is not right.
No, that's still wrong.
Houston, we have a problem.
We're not setting anything to the side.
I think I am way overcomplicating this for myself.
Nope, that's not quite right.
I forgot to stip.
No, that's not center. Iron this.
I'm not sure how I got tangled up in here.
This top one's supposed to be a hook.
I don't know why I just put the iron down. I still need it. If you make s'mores, you should use a Reese's peanut butter cup instead of Hershey's.
I am not a Reese's peanut butter cup.
You're out. Going off the
I like
island.
Yeah, we need to vote you off the island.
I like peanut butter. and I
No,
like
we can't have Bobby.
I don't make the rules, I just make the tutorials.
And until next time, happy quilting.
And happy garment sewing.
That was perfect, even though we didn't practice.